Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Secretary ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Manuel Badwar. Hakasngit ho diang ulukin tho e sarkar bayalam ka National People's Party dak bakno baka party ka lafel ban Pyrshah Tyngeh ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act Fcra ka ba ulabatay baka dikaan ka pinstom ben bat kamla ban ajimentoy ki padba. Habakran shikilat patay kobor ha Congress Bhawan uba Badwar uloong baka NPP ka day ban Shym ya karay ka baskham halor kimat ki balan kam khamtam baka yatrelang ban ka Bharatiya Janata Party ulakno baka NPP kam Shimla ban sanshar hi ka jila bat ki kam baki rai la Shym hi daga BJP na Lyndet uba Manuel ulakno baka NPP ka Pynïaid jingmut tang banyo jingmentoy hakaliang ka Pyrshah kat ba bakla banyada ka jingmentoy jong pat ba habakran ni ka jinon kam jong ka jingmentoy hakaliang ka yo ka kot jong ka jila ka banshanya ka jingra Pyrshah ka sarkar pdeng ulaong bakum kini ka jinyo jingmentoy de banyo kum ka hok ba de banyo om kum ka jingra ulaong baka jinglong ka bajam bat ka baduna jong ka NPP ka long ka bakta ya ka jing kamilanti jong ki pat ba bat ulakin tui kinong shong shnong ban bishar banya ya ka mat barban Shym ki rai ki banya Hendai ulaong baka party jong u kam ong baki pat ba ki dei ban kentat ya ka NPP hendai ban bishar banya ya ka rukam trikam ka sarkar haba jubab ya ka jingkali halor ka jingla ban pensangi ya ka jing menjor ya ka bill ha parliament uba Badwar ulaong be ka ni ka kam ansarai ha ka yeng dor bar ula banjur baka India kam dei tang ka ri sanshar pat ba hendai ka dei ka ri ka balas sanshar ru da ka riti sanshar uba Badwar ula keno baka sarkar ka ino ikinong rim jong ka riti sanshar dak bepersyang ban ya chakmat klem ka jinyakran ba jinya mirjumut ka babyang ulaong bawat lada lemjur ka nikaan hendai ka dangla bani kendo ikijing e hagariti sanshar kari.
Yes, we definitely feel that the NPP has failed. Such draconian laws should not even be placed on the table of the House. There should have been more discussions, and the NPP as such, being in power and being good friends with the BJP, should have voiced out their opinions much stronger than they have. We firmly believe that they're not on the steering wheel, which shows that behind the scene, I think the entire governance is being steered by the BJP themselves. The NPP is only wanting financial benefits, while we always believe and we fully agree that economic benefits is also very important, that being a state which depends largely on grants and so on and so forth, we should get. But remember that these things are our rights. So the NPP being so soft and being handicapped in its approach, I think is detrimental to the angst, I would say, to the expectations of the public at large. And I think the public should look at it from that perspective. I'm not saying that we should reject them. I'm not saying anything like that. But approach sensibly with a mind. Understand that the NPP has, if you ask me, has totally failed in this. Yeah, that's the whole point, sir. This bill this amendment rather is not going to be difficult for them to pass. Okay, because you actually don't need 2/3 majorities, right? You need only normal majority, and that also with even a smaller house. So if people are absent, it can still pass, right? So if you ask me how confident is that we'll be able to stop, believe it or not, it's going to be extremely difficult. Okay, but please remember, this is not just a democracy, this is a republic as well. Okay, so given the fact that it's a republic, democratic country, means the law of the land also has to prevail, right? Okay, so I'll give you an example. A democracy means that if a village has 100 people, and if they find a thief and they sit for a public meeting and they ask people to raise hands, and if 51 people raise their hands and says that the thief, who's a petty thief, has to be hanged, then you should hang. That's how democracy works. But a republic stops that from happening, right? A republic has a written document that says that, hello, it's just a petty theft, which means that even if he's committed the crime, his punishment should be only one night in jail. That's it. So the whole point is This is a republic, which means that at the end of the day, the law of the land should prevail. What the government is doing now is, it is given, it doesn't give should I put it this way, it doesn't give a damn. So they want to say that we'll just go ahead and do whatever we want to, and that's not right, no? Because constitutionally, I think it'll still be, even if they pass the bill or something like that, constitutionally it still might be challenged. But the intention of what they're doing is something which is totally wrong. And we fully disagree with that. Whether it'll pass or that confidence level, if you ask me, we don't know. Okay? Whether the conscience of all the MPs will be with the BJP or not, we don't know. Yeah? That will, the floor of the house will do the test, not us. Right? But if you ask me to just keep quiet, I don't think so. It's right for the public at large to keep quiet. Okay? Very good point. Whether the state assembly should pass a resolution on this, that all depends on how strong the government of the land is. Whether they are really willing to go heads on with the BJP or not. Given the fact that they have been very hunky-dory and the relationship has been very cordial within the two, I doubt it if they have the guts to even do it. Yeah.
But what is the stand of the High Command, Congress High Command on this? Because if Congress High Command does not come out clearly against the bill, or even your leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has not said anything.
I think in today's generation, sir, especially the should I say legacy media. Okay? If you go by legacy media, you'll not see much, right? So I suggest that. In today's generation, it's better for you to start browsing Instagram more often. You'll get a little bit more that we as a Congress are standing definitely against this. Yeah. But if you ask me from a point of view of what legacy media is doing, especially at a national level, legacy media has been bought. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.